Hi, Prakash here from Learn on Digital. Visit my website to learn more about digital marketing. And today we are going to see about how to create a blog. For creating a blog, first we need to choose a domain name and a web hosting. For choosing a domain and for buying a hosting, there are plenty of websites like GoDaddy, Hostinger, HostGator, Namecheap.com, Name.com. Multiple companies are there. I personally prefer Hostinger. So go to Google and search for Hostinger and then click on hostinger.in official site. In that there is a domain. Click on domain checker. In the domain checker search button, you can search the domain name whatever you want based upon your product or service brand. So I search like usedbooks.com. You can able to select the domain with whatever you want, like .in, .online, .com, .xyz, .live, .world, .tech, .site, etc. I but personally prefer to choose .com. So I seeking the domain like usedbooks.com. Click on the search button. Usedbook.com is already taken, but it shows other options for choosing your domain name. The amount may vary according to your domain name. For example, .live costs around 272, .online costs around 75, .online 75, .com 602. This is for a month. I am going to select usedbook.live. Click on add to cart. And then go to your cart. If you have an account, you can log in. If you doesn't have an account, create one free login or sign up by using your email ID. Yeah, it's almost there. Sorry, this is my previous one. Yeah, now my domain is like usedbooks.live. I have going to purchase this for around 1 year period. For 1 year period, costs around ₹272 for 1 year. So 13% discount, ₹272. And we can able to purchase hosting also in this website itself. So you can, if you can add your hosting server with this domain, it can cost around from ₹59 per month. So there are 3 types of plans available. So by clicking on select hosting plan, there are single web hosting, premium web hosting and business web hosting options available. Single web hosting consists of you can able to access only one website, one email account, limited bandwidth up to 100 GB and 1x processing power and memory. In premium, it costs around ₹120 per month. In this we can able to access multiple number of websites using multiple emails, unlimited bandwidth available, 2x processing power and memory. Business web hosting is a combination of single and premium hosting, and the additional features like we can able to get daily backups, free SSL certificate and 4x processing power memory. I am going to premium web hosting. For beginners, premium web hosting is good for learning. So I selected the premium hosting. It costs around $399 per month. For 12 months, it costs around ₹229 per month. By selecting the 12-month option, we can able to get a free lifetime SSL certificate. SSL certificate means the website is secured, like HTTPS. If you get the SSL certificate only, your website is secure and it will be able to go live through search engines. So you will get the lifetime SSL certificate free by clicking on the 12 months or more than 12 months for web hosting. And if you need additional backups, you will need to pay 55 rupees per month for your daily backups. So select that one. If you are doing some professional content means, then it's better to choose the daily backups. I don't need it, so I'm skipping that. And for Cloudflare protection, it costs around 545 rupees per month. Sorry, for lifetime. So better choose it. And then by down here, it shows like you are eligible for a free domain. By choosing this 12-month option, we can able to purchase a domain for free. So we need a domain in name like .live. So let's select through here by .live. Oh, .live is not here. Okay, then let's go through .store. Yeah, it's a website. We used books, right? Then search for a domain you need. Used books .store. And search if it's available means we can able to buy it for free. So it's taken. Used books book.store. It's also taken. Okay, let me try something. Everything is taken. Dot space. .xzs is available, I think so. Yeah, it's available. You see, it's cost around 0 rupees. So by now we can, if you need this .live means, you can able to pay around 272 rupees for a year, or else you can go for a free domain registration .xyz, etc. So I prefer to choose my domain free. And then now proceed to checkout. It costs around 3,300 rupees. And then by paying the amount through PayPal or Google Pay or net banking, whatever you have, you can able to pay. After the payment, you will receive a payment received mail like this. Payment received and your domain details. Premium chat hosting was selected. SSL free certification is there. And my domain name is like learnondigital.com. So my cost is around 3,256 rupees for 1 year. And then by clicking on this control panel, you can go for your domains control panel in Hostinger. By here, log in to your Hostinger account by using your Gmail, whichever you have registered to your Hostinger. By clicking on this, it will go through the billings dashboard, and that you will be able to see your product name and details. Each and everything is there. See, period is enabled for 12 months. After 1 year, I need to renew this one. Services there, and my payment history, payment methods is there. Each and every details is there. Whenever you need, you can able to view it. See, unpaid receipt showing it's for an upcoming year's renewal. So let's go to the home. In the home page, you can able to see your domain name and host engine manage options. See, by clicking on this hosting learn digital manage button, it will take you to the next page. In that one, you can able to view your domain names dashboard. In this, after opening this, first of all you go to your website dashboard and then click on auto installer. In the auto installer, search for the WordPress. Search for the WordPress and install it. WordPress 5.4.1 version is right now available. So click on that option and you can able to download it by entering your details like your administration password and your website title. Administration password, whatever you can able to remember, you can type it. And my website title is like Learn on Digital. Language is English. See, required disk is 55 MB. PHP version is the databases. Your content will be stored in these databases, so it will be safe and secure. And then click on install. After the installation, the WordPress will be come at the top of the dashboard. It will be come in the header. So by clicking on that WordPress dashboard, you can get into your domain names WordPress dashboard. In that you can able to play around of your blogs, settings, databases, domain names, email accounts, and etc. You can just play around the WordPress site of your domain name and learn new things. The major things are in the dashboard. You can able to activate your plugins like this one, and the maintenance mode should be off. If it on means your website will be in maintenance mode and the public can't view your web page. If you are updating your content, you can able to switch on the maintenance mode, and then while completed you will disable the maintenance mode. And the SSL certificate we have purchased it for free. Cloudflare protection, if you need Cloudflare protection means you can able to pay 545 rupees for lifetime and you can activate this plugin. Site install, I have installed only WordPress. And clicking on this WordPress version WP admin, you can directly take into your blogs dashboard. In that you can able to change your theme of your blog or a website, adding a content, installing a plugins, creating social links, whatever you want. You can able to play with much more options. The basic thing is in the dashboard, click on the customize your site. After getting in, clicking on the customize your site, you can able to view your set customization of your website. See, this is my theme name and my site identity. Site title is learnondigital.com, which is shown here, and the tagline stop selling and start helping, which is shown down here. Display site title and tagline. If you click on this one, it will be display, or else it will not show. And then you can able to add the site icon. See, if you can search on the browser means my site icon will shown like this in the top of the browser. Site identity is there, and you can able to choose the colors of the entire website. Each and every section colors is available here. You can change whatever you want. Header image, this is the header image. You can also change the image if you need something new. Background image is also available. If you need to add a background image, select image and go to your upload files and drag it from your desktop or from the internet. Menus is there. Menu options like this one: home, about me, digital marketing, top article. These are called as menus. So you can able to create a menu and add a menu buttons of whatever you can need it. I created the primary name called home, about me, digital marketing is here. This is the primary in menus. And widgets like default sidebar, which means that this one, it will be common to each and every pages displayed in the complete website. Wherever you go, this page is visible. This is a default sidebar. In this you can able to add whatever you needed. And this is the photo widgets. I didn't add any photo widgets. It will be visible here, the footer of your website. Homepage settings. Homepage settings is by I selected my latest post will be visible in my home page. So if you need a static page, by clicking on a static page you can able to add what the page you need to make visible in your home page. And additional CSS option is there for it's only much useful for the developers. And yeah, how can you post your first content? Yeah, this is a post like. If you by clicking on this add new, go to post and click on add new. You can add the title whatever you know and type it, and by clicking on the publish it will be published on your blog. Or else if you need to post a page, by clicking on the pages you can add new page, and then you can add a new page to your website. And by clicking on this plugins, if you need to add a plugin, for example if you need to add a social media links to your web page, by clicking on this add new website and search for some socials like social search. I am searching, there are plenty of plugins are there. See, this is here WordPress social set, social login and social comments plugin is there. By clicking on this you can able to add your Facebook, Instagram, yeah, whatever you need. The plenty of options is there. Better try to choose the one which have major active installations. This is around 60,000 active installations is there. Plenty of it there. Better choose the one and install it and then activate. Clicking on the activate, that the plugin will be activated, and then you can able to add this to your blog. And that's all for this today video, guys. If you like to learn more about digital marketing, go visit my webpage, and for queries comment in this video or mail me at learnondigitals@gmail.com. It will be given in the description. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.